ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hey, this is James Spann. This is the afternoon Weather Xtreme video. This is for Friday, the 1st of February, and we're celebrating a weekend coming up that will feature a nice day tomorrow. In fact, we have cleared. Forecast worked out okay. I must admit, early this morning, I was a little worried that we might stay cloudy most of the day, but look at that. Coleman looking east, perfectly clear. Same thing down in Demopolis, looking south right down the Tom Bigby River. A sunny and cool midwinter day. And down at Gulf Shores, what a beautiful day there. In fact, looks like quite a few cars down there at the public beach enjoying a sunny but cool day on the Alabama Gulf Coast. There's the water vapor satellite imagery this afternoon. That big shortwave is rotating on to the northeast. Still awfully messy in the northeast part of the country with ice and cold rain and some lingering snow up around the Great Lakes, but that thing will be winding down tonight. Temperatures are pretty cool down through here. Highs only in the 40s today, even with sunshine returning. And up in Nashville, they're sitting at only 33 at 1 o'clock this afternoon. But note that warmer air running up through Texas, and that will be moving in our direction. So look for a warm-up after tonight. Okay, QPF map. Boy, we've seen some good colors on this map in recent weeks. And again, that looks good. This is the expected rain around the country, valid through Wednesday morning of next week. And this is suggesting about 2 inches for the northwestern part of the state, with 1 to 1.5 inches along the Interstate 2059 corridor. And that would be with the showers that come Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. And more than likely, the big event will be Tuesday afternoon or Tuesday night. And at that time, there could be some severe weather. There's our Day 5 convective outlook, and that covers all of Alabama and the adjacent states. In fact, really an amazing part of the Southeast United States, all the way from Houston almost up to Washington, D.C. And we'll certainly focus on that as we go through model output here. This is where we are at noon tomorrow. And we've got the shortwave that's lifted out to the northeast. No problems around here. We'll have a bright sunny day after a cold start. Probably upper 20s. We'll see a high close to 60. But on Sunday, the south winds kick in, moisture comes back. Now, the GFS continues to back off on the idea of showers Sunday. We'll mention the chance of a shower Sunday afternoon. There's a look at Monday of next week, big trough out west. And at the surface, Gulf of Mexico wide open. And again, that's suggesting a chance of showers, maybe a thunderstorm over the northern half of the state. And then Tuesday, the trough begins to come out across the plain states. At the surface, our surface low at midday Tuesday is just north of Memphis, 1,004 millibars there, with the thunderstorms down through Arkansas and Louisiana. And then midnight Tuesday night, the surface low is near Erie, Pennsylvania, with a cold front coming through here. Can we have severe weather? Well, let's see. Here's first off, this is the projected sounding for Birmingham coming off of the 12Z run of the GFS. This is valid at 6 o'clock Wednesday evening. And just looking at some of the parameters there, it's got the surface-based CAPE at 406 joules per kilogram. We've seen that number higher. And the veering down there in the lower gates, not as impressive as it could be. And again, that's not your classic severe weather sounding there, but again, there are other reasons to think we might have some severe weather. There's the Energy Helicity Index, the EHI, seems to be maximized right over north-central Alabama. And the helicity is off the chart there. This is the 0 to 1 kilometer helicity, and this is suggesting that there'll be a lot of it there. So, again, it's early in the game, and obviously once we get to Sunday and Monday, we can really fine-tune this thing. But the players will be on the field. Dew points up in the 60s. We've seen some of the surface-based CAPE numbers over 1,000, even though on this run it's only 400-something. But there's no doubt there will be instability involved, and we'll sure keep an eye on that. Wednesday, the storm is gone. We'll have much colder air dropping in, and Thursday looks like a cool and dry day. And quickly, at the end of the forecast period, this is valid the 17th, big ridge over western Canada and a short wave coming down over western Texas. And at the surface, that looks kind of wet here. Looks awfully snowy for parts of Kansas and Nebraska. But hey, that's voodoo country out there. I think the screaming message is that the pattern's going to stay active for a while. and we will be here to watch. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. But I've notes on the blog. My next video will be here by Monday morning at 7. Brian Peters will have the updates tomorrow and Sunday. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful weekend, and God bless.